gonna show you how to make 3 easy and delicious breakfast recipes.
That's right, we're gonna be making Anzac Biscuits,
Hearty date pancakes,
and oatmeal. So, let's get started. Okay, so we're back in the old kitchen.
Yay!
You guys know we use Bob's red meal all the time, especially when we use arrowroot flour or we're using oats. And we're super excited today to partner with Bob's red meal to bring you these 3 epic recipes.
Preheat your oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius.
So the first thing we're gonna make is an Anzac biscuit. Now, Americans, you're gonna have no idea what that means. It's basically an oat cookie. Try and do the translation for you. Anzac stands for an Australian and New Zealand Army Corps, and it's a biscuit that they shipped off to war back in World War II, World War I, and it's a thing that we eat on Anzac Day. It's great for breakfast, it's great for a snack, and it's great to have as a cookie. Melt a quarter of a cup of coconut oil. So to make this, it's really simple. Start, we're gonna do half cup of all of these ingredients. Let's go. Gluten-free baking flour, half cup desiccated coconut, half cup old-fashioned oats, and half cup of almond flour. Boom. Beautiful. Quarter cup of coconut sugar, and the quarter cup of coconut oil from before. And 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. And finally, I'm gonna add half teaspoon of baking soda into a quarter cup of water. Or if you're in Australia, it's gonna be called bicarb soda. You could just chuck it in, but I like to make sure it's all mixed up so you don't get any of those bicarb soda lumps. And now here we go. Mix it all together. What's awesome about Bob's is that if you have specific dietary need, like if you're gluten-free or if you're vegan or paleo, they have certified products to fit your needs.
You know what else I love?
What else do you love?
That, with your Australianness,
Yeah?
say Bob.
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 Here we go, ready? Everyone at home right now, I want you to say the word Bob.
Bob.
Bob?
Bob. We have this argument all the time about how to say Bob.
Bob the Builder. It's not Bob the Builder.
Not Bob.
Bob, it's Bob.
Anyway, back to the biscuits.
Look at this, perfect. Here we have a baking tray with silicone mat that has nice little circles. And here we have an ice cream scoop, which is the perfect size for these biscuits.
I think you just like squeezing it.
Look at that. That's the perfect cookie size right there.
And we'll put the macros in the description box below if you do want to add these into your macros.
Oh yeah. You want to wet your hand with some water, and then you're just gonna squash them. A little squash. A little squash.
A little squash.
A little
Not
squash.
a big squash,
A
just a
little
little
boop.
bit.
A little boop. Do the noise.
You
You do the noise. You do it. Do it.
I can't do it when I'm not doing something.
Do it.
Boop.
There you
No,
go.
it's not the same.
Boop.
I love when everybody comments and says that they do boop in the kitchen now.
Boop. Boop. Put them in the oven.
The oven?
The oven. Top rack. Actually, no. We're gonna go this rack here. That rack there. That rack. Nice in the middle.
Okay. Nice feet.
Set a timer for 15 minutes. Oh, wow. Everyone say it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I can smell them already. On to the next recipe.
Oh, you're so pretty. You're on.
So next we're gonna make the hearty almond date pancakes. Now this recipe is in our meal prep cookbook. It is right here. They are delicious, but we're gonna show you how to make them right now. So the first thing we're gonna do is put half of a cup of pitted medjool dates and cover them with boiling water and let them sit there for about 5 minutes. Adam and I are obsessed with dates.
We love medjool dates.
We snack on one every day.
1. Let's be serious.
Adam, 10.
Put them into a little bowl and add in the boiling water. Just enough to cover it. While the dates are soaking, you're gonna melt a half of a cup of coconut oil.
To a food processor or a blender, you're gonna add 1.5 cups of almond flour, 3 bananas, and lastly, the melted coconut oil. Blend it all together. Now we're gonna drain the dates and add those in as well. And 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now for the last ingredient, you're gonna use your favorite protein powder, and what we're gonna use is the Bob's Protein and Fiber Nutritional Booster. The cool thing about this is that the protein is made in the form of pea protein, so it's a vegan product, and we also love the psyllium because it has tons of fiber. So we're gonna add 2 scoops of this to our blend. Mix it in a little bit, and then we're gonna blend it up. While it blends, add 2 tablespoons of water at a time to reach your desired consistency. Bob's has been committed to helping their customers have better nutrition, which in turn gives them a better life, which is the same mission that myself and Adam are on. So Bob's and Fit Couple Cooks are completely aligned. And because of that, they are offering all of our followers 20% off of their entire website up until June 15th. So make sure you click the link in the description box below.
In a pan on low heat, add a little bit of coconut oil. Then you're gonna add about 1/4 cup of the batter to the pan. Using a spatula, place it in a little bit of water and spread your pancake batter out until it forms a nice circle. Cook on each side for 1 to 2 minutes. The pancakes aren't a foolproof recipe. It does take a few times to test it. So over there, we have some It's Too Hot pancakes, and this is just the right temperature pancakes. Every pan's gonna be different. What I've found with this batch right now is on a low heat, the lowest setting it can go. Generally I have it on a medium heat, but sometimes if you have a gas, it's gonna be different than electric and things like this. So I can't give you the exact temperature to cook them. You need to monitor it. If your first batch is getting burnt, turn it down to as low as you can. That's the color it should look like. Like just golden.
Okay, and with the next batch.
Now the pancakes are done. It's gonna make about 12 to 16 pancakes depending on how big you make them. And when you go to store these, you can meal prep them in your containers, or you can eat them all at once on a Sunday.
All at once?
You can make them all at once and have them fresh. So it's gonna be totally up to you. And if you want to go reheat them, you can if you like, but I actually eat them cold. They're really hearty, they're really thick, really versatile, and I know you guys are gonna love them. Okay guys, now for the final recipe, I'm gonna bring you in on my secret oatmeal recipe. Okay? I got it from the back of a Bob's red meal packet. Okay, guys, right here. Oatmeal isn't hard, okay? Oatmeal is oats and water. We're jazzing it up with some really cool ingredients, but the point is, it's really simple to cook. Now, while we're here on the back, we want to talk about the non-GMO pledge and how committed Bob's is to organic whole foods. Now, you guys know that we are committed to using organic and non-GMO products. Bob's has the largest line of organic whole grain products in the country.
Wow.
And they're also kosher.
Wow.
So in a medium saucepan, we're gonna add 1.5 cups of oats. Then we go with our water, 3 cups of water. And turn the heat on high. Give it a stir. Make sure the oats are covered in the water. And then bring it to the boil. So basically once it comes to the boil, it's done. This is done. So we can turn the heat off now.
You can add anything you want to your oatmeal, but we're gonna show you what some of our favorite ingredients are. And one of them is, we're gonna rip up some dates, put them in.
You can just tear them in there.
Yeah.
No need to cut them, just make sure you take the pits out.
Oh yeah, that's kind of important. Next thing, we're gonna add about 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, but you can add whatever kind of seeds you would like, and a dash of maple syrup. All right, mix it all together. Now we're gonna plate this up into 4 meal prep containers, and we're gonna add some blueberries on top. Now you can do this and it'll take you about 10 minutes, or you can grab one of these brand new muesli cups that Bob's just released. They're only at Whole Foods and on their website, so you can use that 20% off discount to get one. But they're muesli cups, they're gluten-free, and they'll take you about a minute to make. So those are pretty epic.
Easy as that, guys.
So we hope you enjoyed these 3 breakfast recipes, and when you make them, don't forget to send us a picture on Instagram, #FitCoupleCooks, and tag us at FitCoupleCooks. Have a great week.
Bye guys. Namaste.